The jungle, beautiful, deadly. It's a place of incredible biodiversity, but also extreme danger. Out here, survival skills are not optional, they are essential. Getting lost is easy. Resources can be scarce, predators lurk. But with the right knowledge, you can survive. One tool is crucial: your compass. It's your guide, your lifeline in the vast green maze. Knowing how to use it can mean the difference between finding your way back and being lost forever. But it's not just about navigation. You need to find food, water, and shelter. You need to know how to deal with dangerous animals and poisonous plants. You need to be prepared for anything. This is the real deal. This is jungle survival.
Lost in the jungle? Panic is your worst enemy. Take a deep breath and remember your training. Your compass is your best friend now. It's a simple tool, but in this environment, it's your lifeline. A compass works by aligning itself with the Earth's magnetic field. The needle always points north, giving you a fixed reference point. With north established, you can determine east, south, and west. But a compass is useless if you don't know how to use it. Practice using it before you venture into the jungle. Learn how to take a bearing, how to adjust for declination, and how to use it with a map. Your life may depend on it.
Hold your compass flat in front of you. Make sure it's level so the needle can spin freely. Wait for the needle to settle. The red end of the needle points to magnetic north. Now rotate the compass housing until the N on the bezel aligns with the red end of the needle. Your compass is now oriented. You know where north is. With north as your reference, you can easily determine the other cardinal directions. East is to your right, south is behind you, and west is to your left. It's that simple. Knowing your direction is the first step to navigating out of the jungle. It gives you a sense of purpose, a plan, and in a survival situation, a plan can keep you alive.
Food, it gives you the energy to keep moving, the strength to survive. But finding food in the jungle is a skill. You need to know what to look for and what to avoid. Edible plants are abundant if you know what to look for. Palm hearts, bamboo shoots, and certain fruits can provide valuable calories. But be careful, many plants are poisonous. Learn to identify edible plants before you put anything in your mouth. Insects are another good source of protein. Ants, grubs, and grasshoppers can be eaten raw or cooked. Again, be cautious. Brightly colored insects are often poisonous. Trapping small animals like rodents and birds can provide a more substantial meal. Learn to build simple traps using natural materials. Remember, every calorie counts in the fight for survival.
Section 5. Water. The jungle's liquid gold. Water is more important than food in the jungle. You can survive for weeks without food, but only days without water. Dehydration is a silent killer, so finding safe drinking water is critical. Look for running water. Streams and rivers are your best bet, but be sure to purify the water before drinking. Boiling, filtering, or using water purification tablets will kill harmful bacteria and parasites. Rainwater is another source of hydration. Collect it in leaves or improvise a container using a plastic bag or a large leaf. Remember, even rainwater should be purified before drinking. Avoid stagnant water. Ponds and puddles may seem tempting, but they're often breeding grounds for bacteria and insects. Stick to moving water sources whenever possible.
Section 6. Shelter. Your jungle safe haven. The jungle can be a dangerous place, especially at night. Predators roam, temperatures drop, and the constant humidity can sap your strength. A shelter provides protection from the elements and a sense of security. Look for natural shelters first. Overhanging cliffs, caves, or dense vegetation can provide some protection. If you can't find a natural shelter, build one. Use branches, leaves, and vines to create a simple lean-to or a more elaborate debris hut. Make sure your shelter is waterproof and insulated from the ground. A well-built shelter can mean the difference between a good night's sleep and a miserable night of shivering and fear. Remember, your shelter should be camouflaged to avoid attracting unwanted attention. Keep it small and discreet.
Section 7. Predators. Respect the wild. Stay alive. The jungle is home to a variety of predators, from jaguars to snakes to venomous insects. Each of these creatures plays a vital role in the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of nature. While encounters with these predators are rare, it's crucial to know how to avoid them and what to do if you encounter one. Preparation and knowledge can make all the difference. Make noise as you move through the jungle. This can be as simple as talking to your hiking partner or clapping your hands periodically. Talking, singing, or clapping your hands will alert animals to your presence, giving them time to move away. This reduces the chance of startling a predator, which can lead to dangerous situations. Most animals will avoid confrontation if they can. They prefer to stay hidden and avoid humans. Be aware of your surroundings. Constant vigilance can help you spot potential dangers before they become a threat. Look for tracks, scat, and other signs of animal activity. These can give you clues about the presence of predators in the area. Avoid dense vegetation, especially at night. Predators are more active during these times, and visibility is low. If you encounter a predator, stay calm. Do not run. Running can trigger a chase response in predators. Make yourself look big and make noise. This can intimidate the predator and make it think twice about approaching. Slowly back away while facing the animal. Never turn your back on a predator. Remember, the best way to avoid a predator attack is to prevent it in the first place. Take all necessary precautions. Be aware, be cautious, and respect the wild. By doing so, you ensure not only your safety, but also the preservation of the natural habitat.
Section 8. First aid in the wild. Be prepared. Injuries are a constant risk in the jungle. A simple cut can quickly become infected, and a sprained ankle can leave you immobilized. Knowing basic first aid can be the difference between a minor setback and a life-threatening situation. Always carry a well-stocked first aid kit. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, anti-diarrheal medication, and water purification tablets. Learn how to treat cuts, burns, blisters, and insect bites. Knowing how to splint a broken bone or treat a snake bite could save your life or the life of someone with you. Take a wilderness first aid course before venturing into the jungle. The knowledge you gain could be invaluable. Section 9. Signaling for help. Your ticket out. In this crucial section, we will explore the various methods you can use to attract attention and get rescued when you find yourself in a dire situation. If you find yourself lost or injured in the jungle, your best chance of survival is to signal for help. The dense foliage and challenging terrain can make it difficult for rescuers to spot you, so you need to take proactive steps to make yourself visible. Rescuers may be looking for you, but you need to make yourself visible. They could be combing through the area, but without a clear signal, they might pass you by. A signal fire is one of the most effective ways to signal for help. The bright flames and thick smoke can be seen from a great distance, making it an excellent choice for attracting attention. Build a large fire in a clearing, using dry wood and green branches to create a lot of smoke. The combination of dry wood and green branches ensures that the fire burns hot and produces a significant amount of smoke. The smoke can be seen for miles, even through dense canopy. This makes it an invaluable tool for signaling, as the rising smoke can penetrate the thick jungle foliage and reach the eyes of potential rescuers. Use a mirror or any shiny object to reflect sunlight towards potential rescuers. This method is particularly effective during the day when the sun is bright and can create noticeable flashes of light. The flashes of light can be seen from a distance, especially from the air. Aircraft or drones searching the area are more likely to spot these bright reflective signals. If you have a whistle, use it to signal for help in short, sharp bursts. The sound of a whistle can travel further than your voice, cutting through the ambient noise of the jungle. Remember, the key to successful signaling is to be persistent and patient. Don't give up hope. Keep trying different methods and continue signaling until you are found. Keep signaling until you are found. Your persistence and determination can make all the difference in ensuring that rescuers locate you and bring you to safety.
Section 10, Aaron Ralston, A Story of Unwavering Will. In 2003, Aaron Ralston, an experienced outdoorsman, was canyoneering in the remote canyons of Utah. During his adventure, a massive boulder unexpectedly shifted and pinned his arm against the canyon wall. Trapped for 5 excruciating days, he faced severe dehydration, starvation, and the chilling realization that no one knew where he was or could come to his rescue. His story is a testament to the incredible power of the human will to survive against all odds. With his supplies dwindling and hope fading, Ralston made the agonizing decision to amputate his own arm to free himself from the boulder. Using a dull multi-tool, he performed the gruesome act, knowing it was his only chance for survival and to see his loved ones again. Ralston's story is a powerful reminder that survival is not just about having the right skills and equipment, but also about possessing mental fortitude, resourcefulness, and an unwavering will to live, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. It shows that even in the darkest of circumstances, the human spirit can triumph, turning a dire situation into a story of remarkable resilience and courage.
Section 11. The jungle will test you. Be ready. The jungle is a harsh and unforgiving environment. It tests your limits, pushing you to the brink physically and mentally. But it is also a place of immense beauty, teeming with life and wonder. By respecting the jungle, preparing for its challenges, and mastering essential survival skills, you can not only survive its dangers, but also appreciate its wonders. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the jungle, the better equipped you'll be to handle its challenges. So learn the skills, pack your gear, and embark on your jungle adventure with confidence. The jungle awaits. Are you